Hey guys, how you guys doing today? Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Camera Reaction. So I'm back again with another reaction video to the group SB19. My boys, my peepop boys. So this is their song Mana. I did listen to, I just want to let SB19 out there know. I listened to you guys EP that you just released it every day on iTunes. I want your streaming numbers to go up. I will listen to it on my Tidal account too. I will listen to it on my Spotify account too. All paid for. So this is SB19 Mana and Bazinga. So at the YouTube Fan Fest Philippines 2021. Okay, YouTube. Come through with the fucking production. Bitch! Di mo kilala nung nasa lubak pa. Di pa lang ala-ala, ikay nang umusta, pusta ko sa 50. I keep forgetting this group is K-pop trained. It's K-pop trained. Oh, I keep forgetting this group is K-pop trained. I forgot these groups are they trained for this. I am fucking gagging and we just started. Gagged, bitch. Ooh. Vocals always on point. Bitch! These bitches! Oh, they've been in the studio. They've been in the they're working. I said it over and over already. The quarantine really brings out the creativity within everybody. It brings out the hustle within everybody. It brings out the business mindset out of everybody. SB19, from since I started this YouTube channel, SB19, they are really working on their craft, and I could see their creativity within their project. Wow. Come through, bitch. Makeup, vocals, voice. Oh, they look so good. I just want to eat them up. Where's my husband, Ken? There he goes. No. Okay, I hear you, Ken, with that deep voice. I hear you, Ken. Oh my god, imagine hearing this in concert. With the stereos. Good job, boys. Dun, 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 dun. I would love for that when that dance breakdown go, they have this little bit more fair, more movable. So when they just shake while doing that, so it's like it's shaking while they move. Oh, I would die. Yes. Yes. Story. I love his deep voice. Giving me J-pop. They're giving me J-pop. They're giving me, what's his name? Gat. That's who they're giving me right now. Gat. Oh, I need to go react to some Gat. I love me some.
My friend used to pay $163 for car insurance. Now look at how much he pays.
Next. Okay, commercial. I have no time. I have Geico. Okay. Put we in our place.
Every day I think the Lord is heaven away. The world alone turns standing in. Break the curse and stop.
Come on, stop.
Going home then I cry alone. Don't you worry, so not gone.
Come on, Pablo. I want that jacket and pants now. Oh, look at my baby daddy Ken over there.
When I get to almighty with me, the every day I think the Lord gets heavy.
Anyway,
The world and those times there.
my
Stay away to break the curse and stop this. Stone in my breakable, but we very big as I won't go.
She scared the hell out of me. She popped out of nowhere. She popped out of nowhere. She said, I'm gonna let you heifers know I'm here too. I live it. I live for progression with an artist. Like, I haven't listened, well, visually watched SB19 in a couple weeks or a few days, but I listen to their songs on my iTunes account. And it's like every time I come back to react to them, it's like it's always something good. Some of these artists nowadays is like, I haven't seen them in months. And when they release something, it's like, maybe you should go back to 3 months ago and just call it the rest. But I want this outfit. If I have to lose weight to fit it, I want this outfit because I know over there their size is very small. Because when I was like 180 something pounds, I was like a large, and just I have some of these clothes in my closet that are European fashion, and they comes in small. But I'm gonna lose some weight to worry about my European clothes because one shirt cost like $60 US, and that was the cheapest one. But I want this outfit. I just want to eat them up like ice cream.
Almighty with me, the every day I think the Lord gets heavy. Throw it away,
Bitch,
the world and those
have me over here moving my shoulders.
to turn up the heat and I'll burn y'all till like
Kalinga. Who is she?
what's up?
AC?
What's up? Killer, I'm killing your buzz.
Oh, she had the same energy as them. Dang.
Look at you, look at you.
Blue. Come on, sister.
Look at you, look at you, look at you, peekaboo, boo. I'ma beat you even if I didn't learn kung fu 1, 2 punch. You lucky cause I overdid it, had to say that too. Nah, mom, just to say.
I called it. If I could remember correctly, I called it. When I first started reacting to this group, I called it in the beginning. I said I would love for them to have like a female person, do a feature with a female person. I think I called it in one of my videos. I think so. I called it. I said if they could have a female singer or female artist featured in one of their songs with the same energy, it would have been amazing. I called it. And she know the routines. Oh my god, my baby. Oh my god, my baby. Come on, Stell. It's ready. Hey, yeah, baby, my singer. My singer.
Be proud of what time moves. They stagger what time buzz. Killer, I'm killing your buzz. So get the hell out.
Yeah, boom, boom, boom.
Look at you, look at you.
Look at you.
Look at you, look at you.
Look at you.
Look at you. Look at you.
If they ever have a concert in my area, I will be going. Whatever you guys want me to react to, feel free to leave a link below in the comment section and I get to it as soon as possible. As always, you can do you besides you. I have nothing else to say. Bye.